Hey, so we're back. Gonna be doing some mudding and taping today. As you can see, I don't know if you can see or not. Got the whole work area cleaned up, swept. Got the fan on to kind of keep some of this dust down. It's pretty dusty here. Got the tools out, ready to rock. So we're gonna go ahead and get that started. All right, so got that wall done. Got all my most of my screw holes filled there. So anyway, I'm gonna continue on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna run out of tape. Probably have to go get some more, but I'll get you back in here when all the mudding and taping is done. Yo, so yeah, it's been a week. You ever have that feeling where you just think like the universe is just against you and you're not going to get anything done? Well, it's kind of how this week has been. So we discovered that down here for the toilet supply line, there's some kind of leak or something. Anytime that supply line is on, we end up with some water here on the floor, so that's gonna have to be dealt with. Originally I thought it was the shower, but it's not. The shower's been on now for 4 or 5 days, no water. Toilet's been off for 4 or 5 days, no water. So that kind of tells you what's going on there. And then today is Wednesday. Monday is normally like my kind of rest day. I do my video editing. I've been trying to put out a video every Monday for consistency. I'd like to put out more, but just trying to find the time to do that is hard. But so Tuesday morning, Cheyenne, my fiance, she went to go get in her car, do some stuff, wouldn't start. So Tuesday battled with that, trying to figure out that. I finally got it to start pretty consistently, but then Wednesday, no start. That's today. So we try to get the battery out. It's a total pain. You got to take out half the engine to get this battery out. So we'll be working on that probably either tomorrow or Friday. But, and oh yeah, and on top of that, still got some barn doors to get done. So we need to work on some of that too. But we haven't finished mudding and taping here in the hallway. I finally picked up some tape and some more mud today. So we're gonna get started on that, try to get the rest of this hallway taped and mudded, and also the stairwell over there as well. So that's kind of where we're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll bring you back in when I'm done. All right, so it's about 9 o'clock night. I was able to get the rest of this hallway mud taped, and then also stairwell hit mud and taped. I forgot to do this area, which really kind of ticks me off, and I forgot to put a corner bead over there. So I'll just do that. Hopefully I can get the second coat on pretty quick, but everything else is done. So hopefully tomorrow be able to put on that, get a second coat on here and get some of these screws covered up and get things moving along. So we'll see. Hey, so it's Thursday. Putting the next layer of mud on, hitting my screw holes there, as you can see. But just got a call from my sister, and she's got a flat tire and needs help. So this is how my life goes. This is how my life works every day. So anyway, hopefully I'll have a little bit more time to get some more stuff this evening. So I'll bring you back in a little bit.
Take a picture of it?
Well, here's the culprit. Right there. All right, guys. So as you saw, we are in the good old Walmart parking lot. Tire is super flat. It's got a piece of metal in it, as you saw. That's the culprit, and the air's coming out as fast as it can go in. So I brought a portable air tank with me, but I didn't use it because it's kind of, once you use it, then the air is gone. She has one of those little air pumps that you can hook up to your cigarette lighter. Well, I still call it a cigarette lighter. And we hooked that up to it, and it was starting to fill it up, but that air was coming out pretty quick. So they're gonna run inside and get a plug kit, and we're gonna try to get that piece of metal out, try to plug it at least, you know, to just get it home. She'll probably have to get that, you know, tire replaced probably. But anyway, so we're gonna get to it. All right, I am back home from my little tire excursion. I'm gonna have a little BLT action going on here. Made by my baby right
I need
there.
a spoon, quick.
Little one's over there.
Other one's in bed.
She's gonna be eating a snack.
Other one's in bed.
And then it's back to mud. Hey, so it is Friday. I was able to get the battery out of Cheyenne's car. That was something. There's two different ways to do it. I tried them both. First one, epic fail. Second one, much better, easier. Got the battery out, but it was too dark to go get another one and try to get the new one in. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. So last night finished up getting the second coat of mud on. I'm gonna scrape off some of the peaks and things and kind of get it as flat as possible, and then get this third skim coat on, and then we can call that done. So I'll let you know how it looks when I'm done. All right, so got the third and final kind of skim coat done on everything. Tomorrow hopefully we'll have some time to sand and get ready for primer and paint. The Thanksgiving holidays coming up next week. I know it was my goal to get it done by then, but I don't know, that's looking pretty bleak, so we'll see how far we get tomorrow. Hey, it's Saturday night, about 9:30ish or so. It's been a pretty busy day. Ran some errands, did some stuff. Got a new battery for Cheyenne's car, got to put that in. But anyway, look, I got the sanding done. All that's finished, and all that's finished up there. So I'm hoping tomorrow I'll be able to get some primer on it, kind of wipe down the walls a little bit. It's pretty dusty. Now I will say, this area compared to other areas I did, it really only took me about 35 minutes or so to sand it, because there wasn't as much to sand. I'm getting a little bit better. So anyway, we'll catch you up tomorrow. What's going on, everybody? It is Sunday morning, and getting ready to put a new battery in this car. I've been fighting with this thing for a couple days. Just so you know, if you have like a 2000, I don't know what it is, like 13 to 17 Ford Escape, the best way to get the battery out is to take all this stuff off and lift the battery up that way. I watched another video where they had like taken all this stuff out and tried to slide it out front ways. Way easier. Took me like 12 to 13 minutes, get all that stuff out of there. It was super easy to get the battery out, put the battery back in, which I'm getting ready to do, put all that stuff back on there and test it. So here we go. All right, everybody, so that's going to do it probably for this week. Still got to clean up all this dust and everything from sanding, and then we're going to get started priming and get ready for paint. The stairwell is going to be kind of difficult. Got some high places there, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do with that. Might have to bring out the good old extension ladder. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, give a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Guess what? It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend, and we'll see what's going on next week. Hey, this is Life in Missouri.